to my amazing girls out there. How are you all doing? I hope that you all are doing wonderfully well and are also taking extremely good care of yourselves. Now girls, this video is one of those extremely requested videos. So many of you wanted to see some more good quality jeanswear options and things which are under a particular budget and look very cute, are very much in trend, extremely good in quality as well. So that is exactly what we're gonna do today. I went on to Flipkart this time to shop for some good quality jeanswear options, and I must say I'm fairly impressed. They delivered items so quickly, like literally it just took 4 to 5 days for me to receive all of the items, which is amazing. And to top it off, they also, like, the best thing that I noticed was that they did not use any extensive packaging. Like if you have ever shopped online, you will know that they first have this inner packaging and then they have this outermost packaging, which does not really make any sense, right? And like Flipkart, on the other hand, they actually had biodegradable packaging, which is amazing. So I really appreciated, had to notice it and tell it to all of my girls out there, so which is like a very good thing. So without wasting any of your time, let us quickly start today's video. The first pair of jeans that I got is this extremely wide-legged and extremely high-waisted pair of denims. This looks so cute. It is extremely wide-legged. As you can see, the quality is amazing. It is so stretchable, as you can see. Looks so cute, goes with everything, isn't so trend. I got this one in the size 30 because I wanted it to be slightly loose. It is slightly loose on me, but I will get it altered, so not a big problem. And I got this one only for 535 rupees. A steal, absolutely. Definitely go for this one. It's from this brand called Metronaut, and I think the quality is perfect. I have no complaints whatsoever. I would highly recommend this one to each of my girls. Definitely check this one out. Looks very cute, super in trend, and will go with literally everything. The next denim that I got is actually a pant. It's not a denim, it's actually a pant which is in this polyester blend material. This is how it looks. It has like a paper bag jeans kind of an effect. Also comes with this kind of a buckle and a belt, so that you have a very seamless, and you can fit it according to your waist. And it gives like a slightly loose effect and looks very nice. It looks tremendously good because of this very thin material. It is so summer appropriate, it is so breezy, it is so breathable. Would highly recommend this one as well. It was only for 300 rupees, which I think is amazing. You can definitely check this one out. I got this one in the size 30, and 30 fits me perfectly, and it's just the perfect length. It's a good pair to have in your wardrobe, for days when you don't feel like wearing very thick denims. You can definitely opt for these kind of bottom wears, and they look very cute as well. So definitely check this one out if you're looking out for something in the similar kind. Now the next denim that I got is actually a skinny jeans, which I really wanted to have one. This is how it looks. It is extremely high-waisted. This one is again from this brand Metronaut. Extremely high-waisted, extremely good in quality, and this one is actually very similar to a pair that I had from H&M. It is very similar to that. The length is perfect. The material is very good, so you can definitely check this one out as well if you are looking out for a good quality skinny jeans option. And this one was again somewhere on the similar lines for 500 something. And the next one that I got is actually slightly higher from the budget. It's for 899, and this is how it looks. Now this one is actually my favorite pair. The wash is beautiful, the material is top notch. It is like one of those perfect straight fit pants that you might just be looking for. It looks so good. The material is very stretchable, so it makes it very comfortable to wear. The denim material is very good. The length, in fact, is perfect. It is high-waisted, looks very cute. I would so highly recommend this one. It's from this brand called Coty, and again, as I told you, I got this one in the size 30. Fits me perfectly. Would give, like, I would recommend this to each of my girls. Definitely check this one out. This is gonna last like for a very long period of time. I can tell this to you beforehand. So if you're looking out for something in the similar kind, just go for it, okay? Just go for it. It is a very well-deserved pair of denim. Now the next one that I got is actually again a pants. It is in the similar polyester material. It's from this brand called Sassafras. It is extremely high-waisted, has this kind of a ziplock for you to, you know, just comfortably wear it. And this looks very good. Now if you're taller than me, if you're taller than 5'5", then this might be a little short for you in terms of length. It comes like below my, absolutely below my ankles, so that is how it falls on me. But if you're taller than me, then it might be shorter for you. So that is just one thing that you need to be that you need to just take care of. It was only for 500 rupees, a steal. Absolutely would so highly recommend this one. So if you're looking out for something in the similar kind, you can definitely go for these. Just let me know, girls, how you liked this video. If you did, definitely like it, and if you did not, dislike it, and let me know in the comment section below. And I would absolutely love to connect with all of you. And yeah, till then, just take care of yourselves, stay happy, stay healthy, keep smiling, stay blessed, and I'll see you all later. Bye.